Today we're going to be unboxing my DGK Street Scene Kaido house, and then we're going to be building the acrylic box with the Liberty Walk campaign. I haven't got myself a Kaido house one, I will. But for now, it's going with the Liberty Walk, and you're going to come along for the ride. Hope you enjoy. Let's check out this DGK. I've been excited to open this thing up. Oh, didn't get a chase. Joke. All right. Look at the gold on that thing. Take a look at that. Let's see what it looks like under the hood, huh? I guess that's about as close as I can get it. Well, there you have it. What do you guys think? All right, let's get in the display. Well, let's get this box apart. This is going to be easy. This is a really nice box. It's got magnets here in the top. This one, does it have the magnets? Let me see. Yes, it does. Look at that. Little magnets in the corner. And then on the inside here, magnets make my life easier. A little shout out. All right, first things first. What do we do? DJK? Do we put the 2? Let's put the 2. I want the 2 showing. That's my preference. Alright. Oh, we gotta get the secret weapon out. Round 2. There we go. That's the business. Little smush. Yep. All right. Two little plastic tabs on the side. What do you guys think? Really love the box. Really love the car. Camera doesn't do it justice. Purple looks really good. We'll get ourselves some Kaido house tents later. Dress this box up a little bit more. But until then, that's the start. Until next time, peace.